in this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Sam's Club error 521. Let's get started. First, begin by refreshing the Sam's Club webpage or completely closing and reopening the app. Likewise, check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data. If you are using Wi-Fi, you can restart your router. Next, check for server outages. For that, head over to the website Down Detector, search for Sam's Club. Now, if you found out any outages, wait until the problem will be restored from the end. Next, clear browser, cache and cookies. If you are using app, clear cache for the app. So launch settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage, head over to the app Sam's Club, launch it, click on offload app, confirm it, then click on reinstall app. Then you can head back, go to this option, VPN and device management. Make sure you are not connected to any VPN. In case you are connected, you'll need to disable it. Next up, check for app update. So launch App Store or Play Store, search for Sam's Club. Now, if you see the option of update, click on it. If you're having issues in the app, you can use the web version. Launch your preferred browser and head over to the website, Sam's Club. Now from here, you can try to access the Sam's Club. So that's it. By following these steps, your problem will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.